Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send crypto from your Coinbase wallet to any other wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So, as you can see, right now we are on the home page. All we have to do is navigate to our wallet on the bottom right section, as you can see right here. And from here it's going to show you all the assets that you own. So from here, for example, we have some Tether and we have some Ethereum. Now, if you would like to sell it or send it, so all you have to do is going to go to the middle section. And then from here, we're going to select whatever currency you might want to send. So for example, Tether. And then from here, we're going to select however much amount you would like to sell. So for example, 150 forints, but that is in my local currency. But for you, it's going to be in USD. And then from here, going to click on send. And now from here, it's going to ask you for an address. So right here, I'm in my Phantom wallet. All I have to do is click on receive. And then from here, you're going to choose whatever currency or blockchain that is under it. So for example, Ethereum in this case, and then go back to the app. And then from here, click on paste. And now it's going to click on confirm. Now from here, tell it that it looks good in case you don't want to double check. And then from here, click on confirm and then just verify yourself. And there you go. Now it says successfully sent. Once that is done, if you would like to double check, go back to the wallet. And then from here, once you go back to the home screen, as you can see right now, it's in the balance. And so from here in the transactions, it will show that you have just sent it. And that is all. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.